Hello guys, hope you are doing good. In this video we are going to install the Jenkins on Windows 10. To install the Jenkins, first of all we need to download the Java for Windows. Go to java.com and download Java for Windows. I already downloaded the Java setup to save the time, and then we need to download the Jenkins package from Jenkins.io's website. Click on Windows and download this Jenkins package. Now let's install the Java first. Click on Yes button and the installation will be started soon. Click on Install. It's downloading the installer. Now it's installing the Java package. Let's wait for the installation to complete. Then we will go for the installation of Jenkins.msi package. Jenkins is basically a Java application, so installation of Java is mandatory to run the Jenkins package on Windows or Linux environment. Jenkins is a CI/CD continuous deployment tool. It can also be integrated with your GitHub and SVN for free to fetch the code, and then you can also deploy on plain Linux server or Dockers. You can also integrate it with Kubernetes using Jenkins pipeline scripts. So nowadays it's a trending tool for CI/CD integrations. So it's better to learn about a Jenkins and use it in very professional way to manage your deployments and services. So as you can see, the installation has been completed. Let's close the Java installer and execute the Jenkins MSI package. So the installer has been started. Let's click on next. Go with the default path. Click on next button. Main user. Run service as a local system. Click on next. Define the port number you are going to expose for Jenkins. Test the port. It will check if the port is free or not. If it's free, you can see the green tick sign. Then click on next button. Click on next button. Here at this path it will find for Java installation. Click on next button. Fail to find the Java version. You need to select the exact path. C program files x86. Click on Java and then click OK. Click on next. It's still not able to find. Go to JRE folder and click on OK. Click on next. Java 11 is recommended for running Jenkins. Java 8 will be deprecated and no longer work to run Jenkins. OK. You can proceed with this exception, no issue. Click on next. It will work with Java 8, but it's better to upgrade to the latest Java version. Click on yes. Now it's starting the Jenkins service. So guys, it's done. Click on finish button and go to your browser. Type the address localhost :8080. It's the port you defined during the installation. After some time it will automatically start. You need to wait for the Jenkins to load. It's starting the service in the background. You need to do nothing. Let's wait for the startup to complete. At the first time it will take a few minutes, then later on second or third attempt it will not take much time. At the first time it will do some background configurations, so it may take up to 5 or 10 minutes. So guys, it's up now. As you know, we have not created a local or domain user at the time of installation, so you need to find the password from this file. It's initial admin password, and it needs to be changed after the login. So let's find this file. You can paste that path here. Select the program you are going to use for this file. Click on Notepad, and this is the initial admin password. Copy and use this password for the first login. Paste here and click on continue. So it's logged in. Then you can also select the required plugins, or you can go with the suggested ones. So here are the list of plugins. You can select any plugin like SSH agent or throttle builds as per your requirement. If you are going to deploy Node.js, click on Node.js, and JUnit, XUnit, whatever you like to enable in Jenkins, you can select here and click on install. So it's downloading the required plugins from its repository, and it may take few minutes to install all these plugins. Let's wait for the installation to complete. You can also add any plugin later. If you miss a required plugin at this step, you can add that plugin later as well. It's still downloading the plugins and installing one by one, so it may take few minutes. Please hold on and wait for the installation to complete. The speed will be directly depending upon your network speed. So if you have better connection, it will download fastly. So the installation has been done. Now we need to add the user. Like I am going to add it as per my name, Rahman, then password, then confirm the password, then you can add your full name, then the email address, then save and continue. So it's done. It's showing you the Jenkins default URL. Click on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Jenkins is ready now. So now guys, here is the dashboard of Jenkins. This is the user I am logged in with. Now you can go to manage Jenkins. See, now it's asking for Java upgrade. You can also upgrade the Java to the latest version. You can go to manage plugins and add, remove, enable or disable the required plugins. You can manage the files, global tools configuration. You can add any global tool like Java, Apache Maven, Node.js, etc. You can add any tool from here. Then you can also configure the system. Here are the global tools. You can add any JDK. You can add your Git. You can add Gradle and Maven, Node.js, etc. from here. Now go to back. You can configure the system. You can manage the credentials. You can configure the credential providers. You can manage the users. You can add admin or normal users from here, like the user I created at the time of installation. You can edit this user. Then go to the new item to add a new project. You can enter the project name. Then you can select the type of project. If it's a freestyle project, you can click on freestyle. If you are going to write a complex pipeline for integration with Dockers and Kubernetes, you can go with the pipeline project. If you are going to create any folder, multi-branch or organization folder, you can select the project type and configure it. So guys, I think this guide is good enough to understand about Jenkins installation and its basic configuration. For further updates, please subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching this video. Take care. Goodbye.